Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Ms. Anjum Kalar, teaching mathematics in Gars Public School. I welcome you all to class 8. As you all know that this COVID-19 has disturbed the whole world, and especially the education system is highly affected. Therefore, the Guards Public School 1 has organized online classes so that students can make their time benefited and productive at their homes. So the students, please note down the syllabus of first term. In arithmetic, chapter number 1 with exercises 1.1 and 1.2. Chapter number 2 with exercises 2.1 and 2.2. In algebra, chapter number 5 with exercises 5.1 and 5.2. Chapter number 6 with exercises 6.2, 6.4, 6.5 and 6.6. Now come to the geometry. Chapter number 10 with exercises 10.1 and 10.2. Chapter number 14 with exercise 14.1. And the theorems we will do in this term are theorem number 1, theorem number 4 and theorem number 5. So the students, starting with chapter number 1 and exercise 1.1, in which we will study about set, power set and different operations of set with Venn diagram. First of all, we must know what is set. A set is a group or collection of well-defined objects or elements. For example, a set of alphabets. When we say a set of alphabets means we have defined a set, that is a set of alphabets, and all the alphabets in this set are distinct from each other. Likewise, we have a set of numbers and different sets of numbers like the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and so on. Now come to the power set. A power set is a set of all the subsets of any given set. It also includes an empty set and a set itself. For example, if you have given a set with elements 1, 2, 3, so you can see the power set of this set includes an empty set, all the subsets with 1 elements, all the subsets with 2 elements, and in the last a set itself. Now come to the exercise 1.1. The question number 1 you have, write the power set of each of the following sets. I am solving its second part for you. Set with elements A, B. Here you have 2 elements in this set. So, in order to find the power set of this set, first of all, we will suppose this set as set A. And first we will find how many number of subsets we can make. So for that we have a formula, that is number of possible subsets equals to 2 raised to power n, where n is the number of elements present in this set. Here we have 2 elements, so this n will replace with 2. 2 raised to power 2 means 2 multiplied by 2, that gives you 4. It means that we can make 4 subsets of this set. So the power set of set A will be the first set, an empty set, the second set with 1 element, that is A, the third set with 1 element, that will be B, and the last will be a set itself. And all the subsets will be written in a curly bracket. Why? Because a power set is a set of all the subsets of any given set. If you have given a set with 3 elements, so how can we find its power set? Let us solve the third part of the same question, in which you have given three elements, that is A, B and C. So again, in the same way, first of all we will suppose this set as set A, and we have to find the power set of set A. For that, we will find the number of possible subsets by using the same formula, 2 raised to power n, and here n, the number of elements we have 3, so this n will replace with 3 and it will become 2 raised to power 3, which means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, and that gives you 8. So we have to make 8 subsets of this set A. So the power set will be, the first set will be an empty set. Then you will write all the possible subsets with one element, that will be A, B and C. And now we will write the subsets with two elements, that will be AB, AC and BC. And the last set will be a set itself. And all the subsets will be written in a curly bracket. That is the power set of a set with three elements. Operations of sets. We have different operations of sets, but here we will do the union of sets, intersection of sets, difference of sets and the complement of sets. Union of sets. The union of set is a set that consists of all the elements belonging to either set A or set B or both the sets. For example, if you have given two sets, a set A with elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and a set B with elements 2, 3, 5, 7. So, the union of both the sets will be 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. This shows that in union we unite all the elements of given sets and the common elements of the given sets will be written once. And diagrammatically we can illustrate this union as the circle that represents the sets and the colored area of both the sets shows that all the elements of both the sets belong to union. Intersection of sets. The intersection of sets is the set that consists of the elements belonging to set X and set Y. For example, if you have given the set X with elements 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 9 and 10 and set Y with elements 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 10. So the intersection of both the sets will be the elements belonging to both the sets, and these elements are 1, 5, 6 and 10. In other words, we can say that the intersection is the elements which are common in both the sets. As you can see in the diagram, that only the common area of both the circles is colored, which shows the intersection of both the sets. Difference of sets. The difference of set B from set A will be denoted as A minus B, and it is the set of all the elements of set A that are not in set B. For example, if you have given two sets, set A and set B, a set A with elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and set B with elements 2, 3, 5, 7. So the difference of set B from set A will be found by subtracting the elements of set B from set A that are also present in set A. Therefore, 3, 5 and 7 will be subtracted from set A and the remaining elements of set A, that are 1 and 9 will be A minus B. As you can see in the diagram, the remaining part of set A is colored, which shows the difference of set B from set A. Complement of a set. The complement of set A contains the element present in universal set, but not in that set. It is denoted as a complement. You can easily understand it by the example in which you have given the universal set with the natural numbers till 10 and a set A with elements 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. And you can find the A complement by subtracting the elements of A from universal set, and you will get the A complement as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. As you can see in the diagram, the universal set, which is represented by a rectangle, and set A with a circle, and this circle is drawn inside the rectangle. Why? Because set A is the subset of universal set, and the colored area of universal set shows the A complement. Now we will practice these operations. So come to the exercise 1.1. Look at question number 2, in which you have given two sets, set A and set B, and you are required the list of each of the following sets and represent each by Venn diagram. So we will solve A union B first. So in order to find A union B, you have to write the set of A union to the set of B, and the A union B will be the elements belongs to both the sets, and these elements will be A, B, C, D, F and G. Now in order to draw its Venn diagram, first of all we will see the sets which we have given. Which type of sets are these? These two sets are the overlapping sets. Why? Because in both the sets, some of the elements are common. So we will draw overlapping circles for both the sets. Now write the elements in both the circles. Now come to the third part of the overlapped area, you are required the difference elements. Why? Because set A is the part. So in order to find A minus B, you will write in overlapped area we will write A, B and D, a set of B, which are elements, and you will common in both the circles. The elements of set B that are present in the remaining elements of set A will be written in circle A, and the remaining element of set B will be written in circle B. As we know that these sets are we will color sets, so we will draw both the circles, the overlapped circles for the Venn diagram. Union is the set and of elements that belongs to as both the sets. In A union Therefore, B, the whole area or the both the area of both the circles will be shows colored. A minus B, and this area is AC. So we will color the area with elements A and C. Now have a look on today's lesson. Today we have come to know that a set is a group or a collection of distinct objects or elements. A power set is a set of all the subsets of any given sets. Operations of sets, in which we have studied the union of set, intersection of set, difference of sets and the complement of a set. Okay, so now the students, what you have to do, you have to write the power set of the set of primary colors, and you can enjoy this activity by using the respected colors. Stay home, stay safe. Take good care of yourself and your loved ones. Allah Hafiz.